error detection process. So what happens in error detection process is sender is sending a data which is as a message. Then we will be generating some redundancy bit related to a data. Correct? So message and redundancy bits will be added and then transmitted on this media. Correct? At the receiver end, receiver is going to receive the message and redundancy bit together. So that redundancy bits are used as a checker over here. So which is going to be which will be validated against the data. And if they are correct against the data, then that data will be accepted, or otherwise data will be rejected. So what we have, what schemes we have are the error detection schemes are parity check, cyclic redundancy check, and checksum. So we have seen a simple parity check code, right? All of you have seen the simple parity check code. So this is one dimensional parity check. We have even parity and odd parity, two different parities, correct? A sender and receiver has to decide about even parity or odd parity. But who has to decide? Sender and receiver. Say I am a sender and one person is a receiver. We have decided that okay, we will be having even parity implemented for our data. Correct. So what does it mean? The number of ones in a data has to be even in number. If they are not even in number, then add one more one and make them even in number. This is what is my even parity. You can look at the example also. So how many ones we are having here? We are having 4 ones here. Correct? Data to complete kya hai? 100, 11100, right? But if you count only ones, then there are 4 ones in the data. Fine. So once we append a 0 with this data, right? Why we are appending a 0? Because we have 4 ones, that is even number of ones. So once we have already a even number of ones, and if I am following even parity, I will be appending 0 as a redundant. Correct? So my data, my code word, my data is transmitted as a code word now, and my code word will be 100, 111, 000. Correct? Again, we have a problem with this as it can detect only odd number of errors. Then we have two-dimensional parity check also. This is also we have explained in the previous lecture. So two-dimensional parity check is you are having a data. So at a row wise, you will be calculating the parity for row. Then you are calculating the parity for columns. And then every data word with a parity bit will be your code word. So all those code words will be followed with this column parity at the end. Understood all of you? So this is my parity check, two-dimensional simple parity check. So I hope this parity check is clear with everyone, right?